How to change your Twitter username on iPhone. So go ahead and open the Twitter application, tap on the profile icon, click Settings and Support, and then a drop down will appear. Choose Settings and Privacy, then click on your account. Proceed to Account Information. In here, you will see your username, so tap on that. Click Username under the word New. A pop-up window will appear and click on Continue. You will see several suggestions for your new username, which you can tap on and use. But you can definitely make a new one, so type in the username that you want to use. If it's taken, of course, we won't be able to use it, so make sure that the username you want is available. Tap Done, and as you can see, our username is now changed. So that is how you change your Twitter username on iPhone. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.